In this video, I will break down the differences between Figma, Photoshop, and Illustrator to help you choose the right tool for your next project. Starting with Figma, it is the king of user interface and user experience design. It is built for collaboration, allowing multiple people to design together in real time. Because it is browser-based and uses vector shapes, it is efficient for web and mobile layouts. However, it lacks advanced photo editing features. This brings us to Adobe Photoshop. This software remains the industry standard for bitmap images and complex photo manipulation. If you need to retouch a portrait, blend textures, or create digital paintings, Photoshop is your best bet despite its steeper learning curve. For logos and branding, Adobe Illustrator is the clear winner. While Figma deals with basic vectors, Illustrator offers deeper artistic control for intricate illustrations. To summarize, use Figma for apps, Photoshop for photos, and Illustrator for logos.